Oh, this is my turn.
لا.
Oh, Kayan. How are you?
Good.
Oh, I think you have something different. Your style, your hair. Okay. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. How many pillars of Islam are there? Can you tell me? 3? Are you sure?
No.
5? Yes, mashallah. Good. What is the first pillar called? First one. Number 1. Shahada or had? The first one.
شهادة.
Shahada. Perfect. Yes. First one is Shahada. Oh, what does Shahada mean? What does Shahada say? Visit Kaaba? No, 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 no. Fast daily? Give money? Allah is one. Oh, Allah is one. How do you know that? Huh. Where? Oh, you want to put it here? Oh, you win. Oh, you can do that. No, you are smart. You win.